Distributed data collection. Assign tasks. Track progress. Scale to hundreds of collectors. Collection campaigns. Coordinate data gathering across your entire team. Every campaign at a glance. Progress bars, collector counts, deadlines. Live status. Green means on track. Yellow means behind. Red means blocked. Create a new campaign. Define task, robot, target episode count. Collection parameters. Environment setup. Success criteria. Quality bar. Assign collectors. Each gets a task queue, progress dashboard, quality feedback. Track every metric. Episodes per hour. Quality distribution. Time to target. From 10 demonstrations to 10,000. Campaigns make collection a managed process.